south of France. It's been almost 10 days. Crazy how quickly time flew by. Mimi's relaxing a bit. She had a really rough night.
I'm on low battery.
Mimi's on low battery, yeah. She's in the back. Yeah, probably broken 4 hours, not even 3 to 4 hours. Alexa woke up 5 in the morning and then also woke up in the night. So, you know, making the best of it. And she wanted Mimi to be there in the morning instead of me. So I got to sleep today. I'm on full battery. This is the first time I'm on full battery in a while. This is great. Alexa's on full battery too. I think you look great for 4 hours of sleep.
Thank you. You're always so sweet with your compliments. Yeah, low battery is not fun, but I'll survive. I've survived many of these before.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can nap sometime today.
You should nap right there in the shade.
Just want to enjoy this view. It's so beautiful and calm. And even though it's a Saturday, it's not too busy. And also it's a bit hazy, which is great. So
yeah.
Even though it's hot, you don't feel as hot.
Yeah, we've had a heat wave here. Mama. What are you doing, Alex?
Hey, Munchkin. You want to swim in here? Yeah, Cuckoo. Yes, Cuckoo. Yes. Am I mommy? Yes, I am your mommy. I think so. Am I Mimi or am I mommy? You can be a person too, yeah? When we go back to London, we're gonna start taking swimming classes. Yeah? Woo! Oh dear! Put the head back. Yeah, like that. A little more.
Now we have to wash your head.
Ooh. Oh look, she's doing it. I got wet. She saw that I wet my hair, so she wanted to copy me. My little copy. Are you gonna do it again? Protect. Up. Up. You can let go. Your hair is wet like mine now. Bravo. A little deeper. You can hold it for a bit longer. Можно поцелуйчик маленький? Little steps. Yeah. When Alexa was 7-8 months old, we took her to swimming classes, and the instructor was just a bit out there. She put her underwater before any kind of warning. And after that, I feel like the trust with the water was a bit compromised.
No, but you trust.
And now we're rebuilding it again. You love water, yeah? Yes. Ooh. Ooh. You want to do it again? Look, Mama gonna do it. Up. Okay, let's go out and build a castle. Alexa is starting a new fashion of ankle bracelets. Yeah.
Alexa, where are we?
So we promised Alexa on this trip to get ice cream. Usually we get her nice gelato when we're traveling to Italy or France. And today, this morning, she said, we can't go home until we have an ice cream. And I'm like, yeah, you're right.
She's like...
So she remembered. Oh. So this ice cream shop is one of the best here in the Antilles. So if you're ever around, make sure to check it out. It's really, really good gelato. Let's check out the front. Is it nice? Yeah? Oh, look at the happy face.
Banana. And they had banana flavor.
They had banana flavor. I
Yeah,
can.
mango.
Can I have a little bit? It's actually quite amazing. I tried the watermelon flavor. And it tastes like a watermelon. Like a real watermelon, like not like sugared down. Thank you for sharing that. Little ice cream break. What did you get, Lida?
I got the citrus and cherry.
What did you get?
Citron.
Citron. What about you, Mama?
Passion
Passion
and
fruit.
hazelnut.
Passion fruit and hazelnut. Nice. What about you? What did you
I'm
get?
just, I didn't get anything. I'm just taking people's flavors and trying.
Nice, that's smart.
Oi,
Oh my god,
pops ready?
it says freshly painted.
Alexa, baby shark. Oh, bye. Bye, Cinderella. Alex, where are you flying to?
Excuse me, what you doing?
I wanna own.
What are you doing?
I'm on my own.
You're on your own. She cannot wait to be on her own. She keeps saying that
Where are you
soon she'll be on her own driving.
Italy.
You're driving to Italy.
Why are you driving to Italy, Alexa?
Because I miss something.
You're meeting somebody.
No, she said I miss somebody. Who do you
Oh.
miss?
I have a crush
What did you
I
say?
have a crush
You have a crush on somebody?
Who do you have a crush on?
on
Can I see your face?
What's his name?
I'm driving.
You're driving, okay.
So tell the story of
Changing
her
the
little
subject.
crush.
Oh, shit. Yeah, tell the story.
Once a time, there was Alexa. She was in London. Her mommy said that she's going to school today.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
And it was really nice.
Uh-huh.
Until they go.
Did you meet
Until
somebody?
She was dressing up,
Uh-huh.
and her mommy go to work, and then she went to school.
Uh-huh.
And then what happened is,
Did she meet somebody at school?
yeah,
Who did she meet? Huh? Tell me. Oh, she gets a little shy.
I get
So
a
basi-
little shy.
No, you
Oh. When you talk about him, you do sometimes. His name is?
don't. What's his name? Is it Justimo?
Nah.
Is it...
Is it Harry? Is it Kyle?
No.
Is it Giacomo?
Yes.
Yes! Oh, look, you can't even see her face. Can I see your face? Is it Giacomo?
Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Alexa
Yeah.
has a crush at 2.5.
First crush.
2 3/4. Already has a crush. Okay, so have fun in Italy then. Bye. Ciao. Arrivederci.
Mommy.
What?
Mommy should come.
We're just pretending. You're not going to Italy. We're in South of France. And this is the lovely place where we've been staying for a few years now. We've done the house tour already, so I'm not gonna bother. But it is just as beautiful and minimalistic as it was. What you doing?
I'm taking off my shoes.
You're taking off your shoes. Yeah, the view is beautiful. Let's get this door open. Whoa. Gorgeous.
Я замер. Смотри, он снимает.
How's the bread? Is it nice? We're just laughing because usually back home when there would be wedding time and you would have the camera, people filming at the wedding, people would be eating and the moment the camera would come around they would stop like chewing the food. Not to show that they're eating, as if there's something wrong with eating. So how's the bread?
Perfetto.
It's nice bread?
We're just waiting.
For this gorgeous sunset. Thank you, Alex, for finding this magical place.
Well-
It's our last evening together here.
Hopefully the food is good. I don't know.
I'm sure you've done your research. You've never taken me to not a good place. Actually, one time, but that's fine.
This beautiful sunset.
I have the best dessert, watermelon.
Ah,
That's exactly what I was craving. It's so good.
Perfect.
Have it.
oh wow. Yeah, it's not for everybody, I
So
think.
good.
There's only one fork, you know.
Uh-oh, you're right.
Use-
I have wild strawberries. Good night.
Bravo! Your favorite song! This is your favorite song! Another ballet dancer, Grandpa Suleiman.
I need to dance after.
Yes, I'm gonna join you, okay? Bravo!
Ah.
Spot again. Itsy bitsy spider. So where are we, Alex?
We're in Hotel du Cap. We're just here for lunch because we have to check out. So we had some time to, we have to do something.
Some time to experience something.
Yeah, I didn't want to say some time to kill.
I know exactly
I
what you're
caught myself.
thinking. Mindful
So
talking,
Yeah,
high
we're
five.
not killing time, we're experiencing time.
Yeah.
And yeah, we just thought grab lunch here.
Is the hotel not called Eden Rock, or is Eden Rock the restaurant?
Maybe Eden Rock, Hotel du Cap,
Cool.
Eden Rock. But yeah, it's supposed to be like a really famous place. I've seen a lot of people stay here, so I want to check it out.
What do you think, Alexa? Do you like this place? Oh, go grab your
cone is right
you
here.
dropped it. We found a pine cone.
Are you gonna take it to London with you? Or do you want me to carry it for you?
I need to carry it.
Great, outsourcing.
What are you guys up to?
Alexa's hair is so bleached by the sun. I'm just brushing her hair after the seawater. And one of the best hacks is her cousins gave her her old Lego, and we just take it in a little box, like the little Lego people. It's so fun to play with in the restaurants. Keeps her busy for like an hour, so we can actually enjoy the food. So we'll always take it with us now.
Dog.
Can you do the dance?
It's hair. Oh, it's hair, Sherry.
Are you changing her hair? So I got a nice veggie burger. It looks really pretty. Alexa, I'm gonna eat it now. Alexa already had her sushi. And yeah, soon we're gonna be heading to the airport. What would you like to try? You wanna try it? Good luck. Okay. Have a bite. She's never actually had a burger. What do you think? What? Good.
It's really big.
You have to bite the red thing. She's taking some small bites.